the fact that we are at the very core of the regional political dynamics. First, Ethiopian geopolitical position in the Horn of Africa, and second, our involvement as an important peacekeeper in the region. Third, our leverage on shared water resources like the Nile, Shabelle, Omo, and others. And the fact that Ethiopia is a unique mix of regional and global religious, or ethnic dynamism. The way conflicts and cooperation is solved will be closely watched by the world. We need to acknowledge the elephant is in the room. These emerging actors like UAE, Turkey, Iran, and others. So we need a foreign policy orientation that moves in tandem with domestic political evolution through a paradigm shift of economic and political interests, through policy action, dynamic towards unpredictable and incisive diplomacy. We need to understand and conceptualize the critical matrix that include all the regional players. We need to take into consideration regional tensions like unresolved border conflict between Ethiopia and Eritrea. Also power projection by proxy forces like Ethiopia and Egypt competing to shape the future of Eritrea, Somalia, and most probably South Sudan, as well as a competition or cooperation for shared cross-border resources such as the Nile. So this policy orientation might